been on the, had a ringside view reporting the journey of Rajinikanth from the promised political plunge to now making it clear for the first time in 3 years that he will be launching a political party. That much is clear. Pramod and Akshay are with me. As you can see, we have all of our good friends from Chennai joining us on this big story. For once, thankfully, we are no longer asking, is he going to bite the political bullet? He has at least made that clear for us. Pramod, you, me, Akshay, we were all there outside the Mandapam when, Rajni said he's going to take his political plunge. It has taken 3 years, but finally he's going to do it now.
Absolutely, Shiv. That was Raghavendra Mandapam, where he said that the system needs an overhauling, and people asked his fans to be prepared for war, and this is how they have finally, even now today while speaking to the fans, they were completely surprised. Everyone is completely surprised. It looks like the Tamil Nadu was prepared for Cyclone Burevi, but we were not prepared for Cyclone Poyaskardan. Imagine the kind of preparations they've done, all within just hours, all these kind of arrangements have been made so far, and here the two kind of hashtags which Rajinikanth once again used. The first one is that Ippo Illana Eppo Meila, which means if not now, then never. And the second one was Mathunam Yellathe Mathunam, which means we will change everything. This is the same thing he also said, and that also another thing that he added was that every state has a fate, and the time has come to change the fate. Imagine these are fans of Rajinikanth. And look at his mask. He has the same wordings that Rajinikanth has said today. I asked him did he do it immediately? He said they've been prepared for the past 3 months and they've been waiting for this moment. And எப்படி இருக்கு கடைசில அவர் சொல்லிட்டாரு வரேன் அப்படினு.
முதல்ல எங்க தலைவருக்கு வணக்கம். எங்க உயிரும் எங்க மூச்சும் எல்லாம் எங்க தலைவர் தான். மாத்தணும் தலைவா, தமிழ்நாட்டை கண்டிப்பா மாத்தணும். நல்ல நிலைமைக்கு எடுத்து வரதுக்கு உங்களை விட்டா யாரும் கிடையாது. அதுதான் எங்களோட முழு மூச்சு. Well, he is actually bowing in front of Rajinikanth, claiming that this is life, and he says that Rajinikanth is the only person who can change Tamil Nadu, and he's the right person. நீங்களும் காலையில இங்க இருந்திருக்கீங்க. These people have been staying here. It's drizzling, it's raining, they didn't bother. They didn't have enough food. கடைசில இந்த மாதிரி வந்தாச்சு, அவர் வரேன்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு. உங்களுடைய இது எப்படி இருக்கு பத்தி?
இந்த ஒரு நாளுக்காக நாங்க வாழ்க்கையில ஒரு நாளும் நாங்க காத்துக்கிட்டு இருந்தோம். கண்டிப்பா இன்னைக்கு தான் எங்களுக்கு தீபாவளி, கிறிஸ்துமஸ், நியூ இயர் எல்லா நாளும் இன்னைக்கு தான். எங்க தலைவர் ஒரு நியாயமான அரசியலையும் ஒரு உண்மையான அரசியலும் நேர்மையான அரசியலும் எங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க போறாரு. எங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல தலைவர் இன்னைக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு கிடைச்சாரு. வாழ்க சூப்பர் ஸ்டார்! வருங்கால முதல்வர்! வருங்கால முதல்வர்! வாழ்க! வருங்கால முதல்வர்! வாழ்க! தமிழ்நாட்டு ஆளுக்கு முதல்வர்! வாழ்க! தமிழ்நாட்டு ஆளுக்கு முதல்வர்! வாழ்க! தமிழ்நாட்டு ஆளுக்கு தலைவருக்காக உயிர் கொடுப்போம்!
So there you have it, the slogans. It has started again. Just today he only said that he's going to announce the date on 31st, and the party will be launched on next month, that is 2021 January, and already we have the slogans calling him as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.
Let's just get you some, reactions that have come in. There have obviously been some political reactions that have been pouring in. Before I go to Akshay and my guests, let's just play out for you what everyone's saying about Rajinikanth finally making it clear that Neta Rajini is going to be born next month.
Everyone know how elated we guys are. So this was the moment we've been waiting for. At least for myself, I would say it's been almost some few 1 or 2 decades. But there are people who've been waiting for almost 3 to 4 decades. Even though Talavar had announced only 3 years back. So this is the dream day that we have been waiting, and we got the message from Talavar himself. So it is very much official now, and things are going to be massive from now on. I think this is not about any uncertainty, but only this demigod superstar Rajinikanth only can keep his own followers, his own fans with a pinch of surprise. I wouldn't call it as a shock, but it's just a surprising element that he had kept for the last 2 days. Our inner gut feel clearly told he is going to enter for sure, and without any doubt, Talavar is going to emerge as a bigger winner. At least for another couple of days, we'll enjoy this particular moment, which we've been waiting for decades, even before entering into the questions whether he's going to be with BJP or Congress or DMK, ADMK, whatever it is. Talavar has come the day even the media people have been waiting for. The day has come. So let's wait and get it from Talavar himself.
Definitely, Mr. Rajinikanth will fill the vacuum, what we have been saying for the last 3 years, especially after Ms. Jayalalitha's and Mr. Karunanidhi's demise. Definitely that vacuum will be filled. The charismatic leadership. We don't have any charismatic leader as on date for Tamil Nadu. So I think Mr. Rajinikanth will definitely fill that vacuum.
ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் கட்சி ஆரம்பிப்பது என்பது அவரவர்களுடைய உரிமை. யாரும் அதை தடுக்க முடியாது. அவரை பொறுத்தவரை கட்சி ஆரம்பிக்காதது அவருடைய விருப்பம். அதை எங்களுடைய கருத்து என்ன இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க. ஸோ கட்சி ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது அவங்களுடைய கொள்கைகள், லட்சியங்கள், ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து அவங்க வந்து சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அதை ஒட்டி அவங்க கட்சி வந்து போகும். எங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு கொள்கை இருக்கு, எங்களுக்குன்னு லட்சியங்கள் இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த அடிப்படையில் தான் அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகம் பயணிக்குது. ஸோ மக்களோடு மக்கள், மக்களால் நான், மக்களுக்காக நான் என்று நம்முடைய அம்மா சொன்னபடி இன்றைக்கு அம்மாவுடைய அரசு இன்றைக்கு போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அந்த அடிப்படையில் எங்களுடைய கொள்கையை தான் நாங்கள் சொல்ல முடியும். அவர் கட்சி ஆரம்பிச்சு அவருடைய கொள்கையை சொல்லி அதன் அடிப்படையில் பின்னாடி தான் நீங்க கேட்கிற கேள்விக்கெல்லாம் பதில் வரும். இனிமேல் தமிழ்நாட்டை பொறுத்தவரை 2016 எப்படி, 2011 எப்படி, 2021 எப்படி, 2026 எப்படியோ அதிமுக ஆட்சி தான் தமிழ்நாட்டில் இதான் நடக்கும்.
Akshaya, very quickly, because I know this is a developing story and you and Pramod will be needing to speak to your sources and get all the reactions. But very quickly, is January definitely going to be the launch of this party, or are we going to see another U-turn? The reason I am still little skeptical is because we've seen many false alarms in these 3 years.
Well, Shiv, it seems like there was going to be no more false alarms because Rajinikanth has finally said that he is not going to go back on his words. He will keep up his promise, and even if he dies doing what he wants to do for the people of Tamil Nadu, he doesn't care. So, that is a very strong statement coming from the superstar whose health condition has been regularly spoken about of late. And even, Tamil Arumi Manian, one of the persons whom Rajini introduced today, he also had added yesterday after meeting Rajini at the Poise Garden residence that Rajini's health will be of utmost importance to everybody. So not caring about that, Rajinikanth has very strongly said that he will go ahead, he will do the welfare for the people of Tamil Nadu who have been the life source for him all these years. So this is going to be like a new turn, Shiv. We are going to see a new Neta Rajini, and as you were saying, December 31st, 2017, we were standing outside Kalyana Mandapam waiting for that announcement, but it seems like 3 years later in 2020, December 31st, the same day, we're going to see Rajinikanth announcing the day on which his political party will be launched. And interestingly, we need to remember that many members of his party are people who have been aligned with RSS and BJP. And Arjuna Murthy, who is one of those people who was introduced today, he is a former intelligence cell president of the BJP. So these things will have to be closely watched. Is Rajinikanth going to be aligning with BJP and the likes is something that will have an interesting watch on.
Which takes me to my first question. Akshaya and Brahmo, thank you very much for joining me with that ground report on the imminent entry, which is now clear, of Rajinikanth. All of our